this works again. When I said it in another video, I made a video, but then I deleted it, I think. Anyway, I'm gonna see if anyone comes through, because I need gifts. I need gifts to show the world. No, I will give a huge shout out to them if they do. And my other guy, they gave me like the cutest toy ever. It was a cute llama toy. I was so happy. I think this is gonna become like a mostly Animal Jam video. And at least when I stop being a member, I can record about it. But it will be so sad because you know how much it means to me. Let's go see if any of my buddies are interested. Oh, yeah, you remember, so you can send me a gift. And I like gifts. Wait, please send me gift. I am recording. Please give me, I am recording. This is just my emoji queuing. It makes sound effects. Let's see if we can stay come through. I just put it. Just give me, I am recording. Otherwise I'll have to delete this video, and I really don't want to do that. Pattern on store for you. Okay, but isn't the store like basically the same thing, because you can't, if it's a store you have to like pay for it, so you have to, yeah. This has been sad because no one came through. Oh my gosh, how do you have so many pets? I need to buddy this guy. You're not accepting buddy requests? Well, yeah, I can still show you then. This has been a pretty worthless episode. This is so sad. So